Right, good afternoon, folks. Talk to you from the bilges of my silhouette. Just installed new Trudesign stopcocks. These are plastic composite ones, and new elbows come out of the cockpit floor and crossed them over. So if you're on one tack, it doesn't start filling up the cockpit. What a job this was. I had to make the holes bigger in the hull and make holes bigger in the cockpit. But I've gone with the tape rather than doing the glue slick effects, or whatever they call it. But what a job this was. I'm sweating like a pork kebab in a mosque. Sweating like crazy. Anyway, it's done now. I can launch, do some racing.